Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Intro and Problem. The creator explains many users struggle to install the NetMirror app on Android and stresses following every step carefully. So, let's get started. First, make sure you're connected to a strong and stable internet connection. Open your settings and search for Wi-Fi. Connect to a reliable network. If you're using mobile data, make sure your signal is strong. A weak connection can interrupt downloads or cause installation failures. Next, open Settings again and search for VPN. If any VPN is active, turn it off. VPNs can sometimes interfere with app installations, so disabling it helps avoid problems. Now, to install apps from outside the Play Store, you'll need to allow installations from unknown sources. In Settings, search for Install Unknown App. Choose the browser you'll use to download the app, like Chrome, and enable Allow from this source. Some devices block app downloads to save battery or limit data usage. Search for Battery Saver in Settings and make sure it's turned off. Now it's time to get the app. Open Chrome or any browser and search for NetMirror app. Visit the official website and download the Android version. Once the APK is downloaded, open it from your notifications or file manager and press Install. Allow any prompts that come up during installation. If the app still doesn't install, try restarting your phone. Sometimes a quick reboot helps clear background restrictions that could block the process. And that's it. You've successfully installed the NetMirror app on your Android device. This video helped, leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorial.